fade. If it looks like you're telling me I'm faded. It's cold outside, but spring's in the corner and I'm waiting. On the way to wait, she saw the flowers blooming up, telling me how winter sucks for you. What more that I can do? But we met this year last season. That's why it's so memorable for me. We've worked so hard to where we'd be, and that's enough for me right now. What you've been dying to see, but you'll be that flower for me. I prefer marigold, but it's the lily from the valley that you want. What you've been dying to see, but you'll be that